Brown here with PDI, Performance Diesel Inc. We're coming to you with a new video on basically the stages that we take to install PDI performance parts on a custom painted engine. As many of you know, you've seen this truck across the country. This is Mr. Bubba Branch, all the way from Florida, from Atlas Heavy Haul, beautiful red Kenworth. We're gonna give it some PDI treatment under the hood. We're gonna remove the engine, prep it, repaint the engine, and installing the PDI Big Boss parts under the hood that all of you love out there. So should be a great video. Thank you.
So at this point, we took the coolant pack out, removed it out of the truck for access to the engine. We removed all the miscellaneous hoses and wires, everything tied to the engine from the truck. Underneath, we basically have to remove the drive line and some lines and stuff from the transmission. We unbolted the motor mounts and lifted the engine out and put it on a stand so we could take it out and steam clean it.
We're down here at the paint shop today with FARNSWORTH. He's our painter here at PDI. And so we'll walk into the painting process here, show you what it takes to take an engine from the regular Caterpillar yellow to something a little bit sexier. PDI Big Boss manifold lineup all consist of several things: better airflow, lower EGTs, and a better long-lasting product. It has a 3-year manufacturer warranty against any cracking, warping, center divider failure. So the product that we put into the material gives it that elasticity it needs to withstand all of those heat cycles. This one, as you can see, has been coated in a black ceramic coating. We've started doing that for that custom look. That's paired up with our Big Boss Turbo, industry exclusive stainless steel exhaust housing, which has also been coated in the black ceramic for the custom look that everybody's wanting. And our compressor housing has been chromed.
With the engine out, it's a good idea to replace your clutch. We got the PDI Big Boss 2400 foot-pound clutch we're getting ready to install. We put the input shaft kit in that comes with your input shaft, your input bearing, clutch brake, clutch fork, cross shaft bushings. It's just a good idea for this higher horsepower engine to have a bigger clutch to prevent any clutch slippage.
see the red lights.
Woo! My heart is pounding. Oh my goodness, come on. Show it to me. Oh my God.
What do you think, Bubba?
Oh man, that is absolutely incredible. I never envisioned it to be this great. I mean, this is just, wow.
All new radiator, all new charge air cooler.
Nice, wow. Man, I don't even, wow. It's just perfect. I mean, it is just, the quality here is just, I cannot put it in. I've been doing this, I've been around trucks all my life, but I've never had anything under the hood, the quality of this is just, yeah, I'm speechless. I'm just blown away. I can't wait to get in it, put her in the wind. That's what I'm excited about too. You know, listening to her purr, because she will.
So you come in, I know you had the tuner in there, you had your exhaust manifold on too, so
Yep.
we upgraded to the PDI Big Boss Turbo,
Nice.
stainless steel housing on there.
Nice.
You had your oil fill tube and cap on there, so
And made it
should
better.
run good and look good now.
Lance, again, I just can't thank you enough, man. I am
Absolutely.
stoked, man. It is just absolutely amazing. I can't wait to show this to my family. I cannot wait to get this back and show my wife and kids. This is what this has been a dream of mine all my life. And you took something that it wasn't worthy at all and made it something that's actually just completely mind-blowing. And I mean, that's what we're looking at here. And that's incredible. I wouldn't even raise the hood. It was the worst part of the whole truck. And I was embarrassed to show it. I mean, I was embarrassed to pull it up at home, so much less anywhere else. And now I can't get it up. I won't be able to get the hood up fast enough. Nothing could compete to this quality of work here, man. This is incredible.
You know, on the playing field this truck is, Bubba, that's the thing. You can't have that whole showpiece with basic stock motor under the hood. You got to go next level, right?
Well, I can't thank you guys enough, man. You did a great job. It's a pleasure, man. I appreciate you so much.
Thank you again.
Yeah, pleasure.
Appreciate it.